Out of the 189 homes that sold in the past 30 days, 15% were priced under $300,000. 13% were priced under $400,000. The majority of homes that sold, 55%, were priced between $400,000 and $1 million. 16% made up homes selling over $1 million in a median 6 days. Many of those selling over $1 million are selling for cash. It's Friday, June 25th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your local snapshot of what's happening at a local level in all zip codes of Annapolis. In the past 30 days, homes priced under $400,000 are going to contract in a median 8 days, while homes priced between $400,000 and $700,000 are going to contract in a median of 5 days. Homes priced between $700,000 and $1 million are going under contract in 8 median days, and those over $1 million are going to contract in 10 median days. So, what does the inventory look like since last week's report? Inventory is at 170 homes for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis, pretty much on par with last week's report. We're still down. 41 homes were listed for sale. 30 homes are coming soon. 39 homes went under contract, and since last week, 32 homes are temporarily off the market. 21 homes moved to pending, 46 homes sold, and homes are selling in a median 5 days. Over the past 30 days, right at list price for those priced accurately. The highest priced home to sell this past week was this waterfront home in Bywater Estates for $1,849,000. There are only 14 active rentals priced between $1,800 and $6,000 per month, and stats show that rentals are going under application in about 16 median days. If you are considering buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition of our home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealty.com and click on the link Guides in the navigation bar. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 25th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks again for tuning in, for liking, sharing, and following us. Be sure to subscribe to one of our podcasts on your favorite podcast service or stream directly from your Google or Alexa device. I'll see you next Friday. Have a nice weekend. Take care.